How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your story on highlight but without actually posting them. Now, without any further ado, let's move towards the video. First, you need to tap on Instagram app. Now that you're in the app, you need to tap on top left corner that says your story. Simply go ahead and tap on that. Now that you're in here, you need to simply choose the picture that you want to add as a story. Then you need to tap on your story option at the bottom. Simply go ahead and tap on share. As you can see that your story is now uploaded. Now you need to simply tap on three dot that says more over here. From here, let's go and add our story to highlight. So simply tap on highlight option. Now you need to simply tap on add. Now as you can see that your story is now added to your highlight. Let's go ahead and check that. As you can see that the story is right here on the highlights. Now let's go and remove the story from there. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now simply tap on three dots at the bottom. From here you need to go ahead and tap on archive. Now as you can see that your story is no longer visible on your profile, but it is still available on the highlights. And that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.